Welcome to solverfy.
If we start with the some axes here, and we have to understand that sine is starting at 0, 0 initially, and this is going to be as well because we have two things happen: a vertical stretch by 2 and a horizontal shrink by 1/3. There is no vertical shift up or down, so we'll go through 0, 0, which is your first key point. The amplitude is 2, so it'll go up to +2 and down to -2, and the period is originally 2 pi, but we're going to have to divide by 3 because it's horizontal shrink by 3, 1/3. And so we'll have a 0, 0 at the midline, then it'll have a maximum back to the midline, minimum back to the midline. Those are your 5 key points. So at 0, 0, and then there'll be a maximum at, if this full period is going to be 2 pi over 3, this is then 2 pi over 6 midway through, or pi over 3. And then the halfway points between those would be pi over 6. So that would be 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6 or pi over 2, 4 pi over 6 or 2 pi over 3. So 0, 0, pi over 6, 2, pi over 3, 0, pi over 2, -2, and 2 pi over 3, 0 would be your 5 key points. For cosine x minus 30 plus 1, will hold. Midline will be shifted up 1. And then we have an amplitude of 4, so we'll have a maximum of 5 and a minimum of 1 minus 4 or -3. We're going to go to the right 30 degrees, and this is a positive cosine, so that would start at a maximum, but it's going to be shifted over 30. So here would be, 1 cycle. And those key points, if normally this would be, everything's going to be shifted to the right 30, so it would be at 30 degrees with a maximum of 5, and now normally, and it still is, a period of 360 degrees, but this will now be at 360 plus 30 or 390, so it'd be at 30. Halfway between those would be 180 plus 30, that's 210. And then halfway between those would be at 120 and 300. So 35, 121, 210, -3, 300, 1, and 390, 5 would be your critical points.